Hi dear friends, it's Niharika Gupta. Welcome to my channel Future Synonym. It's your reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in Pisces for the week 17th of May to 23rd of May. Let's find out what is in store for you in your money sector as well as important relationship sector. That includes your friends, family and important soulmate relationship. Basically, parent your it includes parent child, husband wife, siblings and people seeking true genuine soulmate kind of relationship. So if you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed to it, please do subscribe it so that you do not miss out on any important video I upload for your zodiac sign. Let's check out your money situation and love situation. Pisces, money. Pisces, money. Pisces, money, 17th to 23rd May. 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 The last time. Pisces, money, 17th to 23rd May. Okay, fine. Now Pisces, love, 17th to 23rd May. Pisces, love, 17th to 23rd May. Yes, right. Okay. So Pisces, it is like routine things as well as major things, major changes, major cycles are also just taking place for you this week. In your money sphere, it is Six of Pentacles and the Fool card. So you will be Pisces, some of you Pisces, you will be starting all anew. You will be on a, you are like somebody who is very eager, very, childlike, very enthusiastic to move in a new direction. You want to change the direction of your life and you are all set for that. You are confident in that and you have a faith in yourself, in that you maybe you trust the universe, you trust yourself, you have some kind of inner sense of strong faith that is pure, that is real, that is genuine faith in yourself that you will be succeeding in your life, right? So you are sitting all anew, you are just carefree and you are actually, because it is the Fool card, so you are in the very nascent stages, very beginning stages of your new direction, new maybe new chapter of your life, and you are not fearful because you are not having the all the information. So you are foolishly, somewhat foolishly ignorant about the dangers that may lie. So this Fool card actually suggests to be a bit of to exercise some caution, to move in a slow manner, to move, to certainly make some changes in life, but in a, to take the leap of faith also, but not in a way that may disturb our reputation in society or disturb our social status or financial status, or because it is your finance reading, money reading, so finance status maybe, right? That you are and you will be giving, or somebody will be giving something to you, a financial help, if you are seeking, if you are stuck in some, if you really need some financial help for your life, for your job, business, or whatever situation, your life situation you are in, you will be getting that financial help from the person or from the source you are expecting it to happen, right? If you are expecting a bank loan, or if you are expecting some help from your friend, so you will be, I'm seeing that that a yes from there, you will be receiving your financial help from them. But or if you are asked to help somebody, if somebody comes to you for help, I think you will also be in a position and in a frame of mind, and you know, you will be willing and you will be giving the help to them. So if that is the case, if you are asked to give the help to somebody, I'm not asking you to be thrifty, but sorry, yeah, I'm asking you to be thrifty. Yes, using your money in a careful manner, in a, just be, just help according to your uh, ability, right? Not according to your emotions. Fine. So be if you, if uh, be helpful in a genuine way, be helpful not in a emotionally irrational way, right? Right. So if you are in a habit of doing that, so just be aware that just help the other person in a way that he or she is not able to exploit you or use your help, not you exactly, not exploit your help in a bad way, right? So just try to help them, be genuine, be sincere, you are in a position to help them, Pisces. So please do not and this is your call, this is what you can expect, and do reading, right? So this is your call, and you are asked to, if you are, if somebody comes to you for a help, just take it in a way that it is god sent, and it is someone who is in real need, right? But it is only that help them in a balanced way, help them in a rational way. I hope you understand. Just help them in a rational way, right? Don't be over emotional and just issue a check, pay, or you know, just any way. So yeah, help them in a way that is actually able to solve their problems for the time being, right? And so this is what, maybe you, for those who are seeking some job or money flow, so I think a good money flow for you, and it will be that money flow and that job offer, and that this opportunity will be something that will be opening some new doors for you, some new avenues for you, new direction, you will be moving in a new direction that will be giving you a sense of freshness, right? This is a fool card, right? So positive things in Pisces life, I see. In your money, in your love sphere, Pisces, you are a water sign, and this water energy has turned up in your emotional sector. Again, water sector. It is Page of Cups, so it is asking you to be in alignment with your intuition, dear. It is you may receive, for those who are singles, you may receive, for some of Pisces, I'm seeing that someone elder to you is interested in you, may be interested in you, and they may offer you some, you know, uh, maybe it may happen that some nice words or something that you feel happy about, you feel attracted to them. This is not a week to take any action, you know, you do not know whether the feelings are genuine or whether you are understanding it for the right reason or not. But the thing is, maybe someone elder to you is interested in you, they are appreciative of you romantically, and they may offer you, it may happen that they may offer you some uh, love. Elder to you means not very much elder, like, you know, so they may offer you some love, or it may happen that they offer you some advice that is helpful for you to improve your love situation, right? You may visit, you are visiting somebody elder to you, and discussing your love problem with them, and they are able to just solve it out through their intuition, through their wit, and through their just command of the situation, right? So that may happen, and that will turn out to be positive for you, that will turn out in your favor only. And for those who are married, you are asked to exercise authority, exercise just have some discipline around your love life. Just you will be enjoying positive things, that is all for there. I'm just explaining more what to do. So it will be like you will be you asked to uh, take care of your emotions in a structured way, right? Taking care of your emotions, matlab, it means that just bring out your emotions, just bring out your feelings for the other person, your partner, in a very matured way, right? In a very matured way. It is the page, it is the younger one, it is the child of it is the child of the, in the court cards in the head, right? So it is like that. And it is talking about the maturity. So you are being asked to offer your love in a matured way that will improve. Maybe you are not matured enough, you are just very childlike, oh sorry, very childish, I'm sorry, you are childish, and that is what is creating disturbance in your life. So you are asked to be get matured, get structured, and get disciplined in your emotional approach. It is not like you can exercise your whims, you can do anything and everything always on your whims and fancies. That is disturbing your love life, Pisces. That is the main cause of problem in your love life. You are not disciplined, you are doing whatever you want in the way you think is right, like a child does. You are not listening to anybody, and you are just exercising your own whims and fancies. So you are advised by the tarot for the week is you have to be structured, and you have to just respect authority, respect uh, your elder people, respect people who are senior to you, right? And otherwise it is like you will be enjoying a positive positivity in your love life. I don't see any trouble or things growing up until and unless you do not fight with the one whom you love and who is elder to you, right? Please avoid any kind of fights or any kind of arguments, because the other person is very strict, and they will just they will not tolerate, other people will not tolerate your if I can say, please mm, forgive me for using this word, they are not going to tolerate your nonsense anymore. They are in, they will be in a strict, stringent, authoritative mode, and they will not be tolerating your nonsense. So it's better to be gentle, behave like a child, right? Behave like an innocent person. Just ask for their love, blessing, sympathy, and do not try to blame others. This is what I've got for you, Pisces, for the week. If you liked it, give it a like, and also share with your loved ones for whom you really care, right? So that they can also have this information which you just now had. And subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to it for the future readings for your sign. I'll speak to you in the next video. Till then, be happy, be smiling, be safe in this pandemic situation. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.